To give everyone a little update. Our community is beyond devastated. We are all pulling together. A lot of my friends have lost their home. I'm waiting to see if our home will be there. Right now it's just a waiting game. But I just want you to know I appreciate all the texts and DMs and anything you can do in terms of donations. Everyone will take it. We'll give you a list. And all we can do is wait.
Well, we ended up losing our house in the fire, and thank God we are safe. So thank you to everyone who's checking. Thank you for all your prayers. Thank you for your thoughts. Yeah. Hi. No words.
I've been crying all night. Thank God everybody is safe. I don't know what to say. I don't know how to compartmentalize this. I don't know what to do. All my stuff, all the last 5 years of my life. So the only thing I can do is go to work, and I'm gonna go to work today.
Okay, so
well, thank you, Chief,
there's a fire right by my house. We're with friends, but anybody who's in the Hollwyood Hills, I've just been having this like intuitive feeling that we're in a bowl of how everything is like surrounding Hollwyood, and now this is at the center of Hollwyood. Everybody needs to just evacuate. Go, 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 go right now, right now. Just go, like why stay? Go.
Thousands of houses, schools, businesses burned to the ground. Communities wiped out, lives lost, families forever changed. They're the worst fires to ever hit Los Angeles, ever. Today I'm announcing that the federal government will cover 100% of the cost for 180 days. It's going to pay for things like debris and hazard material removal, temporary shelters, first responders' salaries, and all necessary measures to protect life and property.
What we have seen in California, and in particular in Southern California, is apocalyptic in terms of the nature of it and the unprecedented nature of it as well. And what we are seeing is a situation that is extremely dynamic. It is very much in play, and to some degree unpredictable, because we are literally waiting to see which way the wind blows.
From breaking news, detailed analysis, in-depth interviews and explainers, follow the Times of India. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like our videos and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest.